This is a set of elevators in the older building of the Children's Institute in Squirrel Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Go down to 1. These are Schindler RT elevators. I think these may have originally been Westinghouse, but I'm not sure. I think they were modernized or replaced. These are pretty slow. Here, 1. That's a very squeaky door. I think 5 is locked. Yeah, it is. Go up to 4. 5 must be a part of the day school or something. Patrick Ned's missed these ones, I think. 3 is a bit messed up on the indicator. Here, 4. Go back down to 3. Oh wow, this looks completely different from when I was here last time. Or I think it looks pretty different. Non-NDA phone. Pretty basic cabs. There's a little pin board on the back, but there's nothing on it. Here back at 3, elevator 5, Schindler. And that's gonna be it.